Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. They can appear overnight, grow in complete darkness, and some can even glow in the dark. For centuries, people have connected mushrooms with magic, mystery, and even the supernatural. But which mushroom stories are actually true? Today, we are entering the fascinating world of fungus to uncover the myths and mysteries hiding beneath our feet. The mushroom that appears overnight. Why do mushrooms seem to suddenly appear after rain? Explain how the underground fungal network can already be present while the visible mushroom develops rapidly. Fairy rings, a magical circle. Across Europe, circular patterns of mushrooms were once associated with fairies, witches, and supernatural gatherings. The scientific explanation is much less magical. Fungus can grow outward from the central point, creating rings. Can mushrooms really glow? Yes, some fungus produce a natural phenomenon called bioluminescence. Certain glowing fungus can look almost magical in darkness. The mushroom that controls insects. Some fungi infect insects and manipulate their behavior in remarkable ways. One famous group is Opicordyceps, which infects insects such as ants. This is one of the strangest examples of fungi in nature. Were mushrooms considered magical? Different cultures have developed fascinating beliefs about mushrooms. Some associated them with spirits, thunder, fertility, or supernatural events. The mystery beneath the forest. The mushrooms we see is only part of the organism. Underground fungus can form vast networks or microscopic threads called mycelium connected with plants and helping exchange nutrients. The biggest fungus on earth. Some fungi can spread over enormous areas underground. One famous Armillaria fungus in Oregon is considered among the world's largest known organisms by area. So are mushrooms magical? Not quite, but the real science may be even more fascinating than the myths. From glowing fungus and fairy rings to enormous underground networks, mushrooms remind us that some of nature's greater mysteries are hiding in plain sight. Which mushroom mystery surprised you the most?